Got a paper jam in your Epson ET 4800 printer? Don't worry, just follow along. Step 1. Go to the rear of your Epson printer and unplug the power cable. Step 2. Check the rear paper feeder for any jammed paper. Step 3. If you find any stuck paper, gently pull it out. Step 4. Lift the printer's control panel upward. Step 5. Open the inner cover. Step 6. Carefully lift the scanner unit until it locks into place. Step 7. Look inside and remove any jammed paper you find. Leave a like and subscribe if we helped resolve your issue. Drop a comment below for more such help and information. Or visit us at www.printertales.com. Or call us at 1-857-6884, 441615184781.